Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to adopt dog or cat. In the beginning, let's find the pet. And now approach the pet. Interact. And make sure to feed the pet. To increase relationship status. Once relationship status with the pet is on 3 hearts, you can adopt the pet. To check relationship status, let's go to social, and here it is. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.